Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a background noise in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to Fairlight tab. Under the audio track, your clip is on, then double-click the dynamics to open its settings. Enable the expander by clicking the toggle. Set the threshold to -30 and the ratio to 3, which is the maximum. While this method works, it may cause some stuttering in the audio. And for the better result, you can use the method 2 using the voice isolation, but this is only available to studio version only. For the better result, available only in DaVinci Resolve Studio, go to Fairlight tab and go and click the voice isolation and enable the button and turn the yellow indicating that voice isolation is active. And that's it. Enjoy a clear and professional audio in your videos. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.